Here at Suttle Lake in Central Oregon. Want to check out a couple of what I think are the best spots. This is spot 10, and let's go take a look. We've got a good sized picnic table, a stump, a fire pit. And look at this lakeshore access. So if you're like me, I like to kayak. So it's important to me that I have a site that I can kayak directly in and out of my site without having to use the boat ramp, which no fun to have to strap it to my car and drive over there and all that stuff. So for a kayaker like me, this is outstanding lake access. I mean, you could, even if you don't kayak, you could just swim right here. Good watering hole. This is a pretty good site. This is spot 10. And just to give you proximity to the other site, oh, first of all, there's a bathroom straight ahead. Over here, we've got another picnic table. That's site 11, and then one past it is 12. 11 and 12 are closer together. There is a picnic table over there, so you do have a neighbor, but the trees kind of obscure, and if you angle your tent correctly, then you can kind of get a sense of privacy. Stopping to look at site 12, and let's take a look. This is quite beautiful right up on the lake like this. Look at this. Got our picnic table, got our fire pit, and even have our own kind of water access. Look at this with these wooden railings right down to Suttle Lake. It's a little rocky there, a little steep, but very doable for most people. I'm a kayaker, so having my own water access directly from my site is a big plus. I don't have to go to the boat dock. Let's keep looking around. There really isn't a site next to you, although this is a hiking path, so you will have people walking through your campsite. My opinion is this 3-pack we're in right now, this site, and these two next to us are the 3 best ones at Link Creek. Let's stop and check out some of the best sites at this campground. We're only looking at site 11. Let's go check it out. We've got our picnic table and our fire pit. A little bit of seating with the log. Oh, it's kind of low, but look at this lake access. It's just a beautiful Suttle Lake. So you're not more than a few feet from the lake. Very beautiful. I would say over there, you got another site somewhat close to you. That's site 10. I do like 10 a little bit better because it's the water access is straight on right from it, a little bit closer, and it feels a little bit more private. This site we're at right now, site 11, is kind of the middle one of 3 good ones. 10's to our left from where I'm standing right now. This is 11, and then over here is 12. So you're kind of the middle of the 3, which has at least privacy. But I would consider this 3-pack, 10, 11, 12, to be the best sites here at Link Creek. So if you can't get 10 or 12, then I would go for 11. Come over to the boat ramp area. I'm the only one here. It is April 28th, 2022, spring hike. I will say this is 3,500 feet elevation, so you can actually access this in March. So I'm pretty late doing it at this point in the year. But look at how absolutely beautiful this is. This is pretty epic and ethereal, very relaxing. And over and show you, there is the trail I'm on right there to my left. I wanted to stop and take a look at this beautiful, surreal, serene, still, relaxing lake. Look at how absolutely beautiful this is.